Right, what are we doing today, Brian?
Well, we've decided that we're going to take the weather cover off. The principal reason is we want to do some work on getting the roof decking reinstalled, and this is a prerequisite that it has to come off. So there are many clips to undo. And zips to unzip. Not tall enough. Change position. Can you get the steps and undo that top one there? And then we're just going to drag it off backwards, and then we'll have the folding up ceremony. Something else to store away.
We're looking at two of the raw hardwood planks for the roof. One semi-prepared, filled, but still requiring probably a bit more filling and further sanding. And one prototype in the original BBC green, but may need redoing depending on what we think. And it's got the grippy tape on it, which did bubble up with the paint when it was first put on, but is now fully adhered and the bubbles have gone. So there you go.
At 60 years of age, this section here is the underside, and it shows the original green paint. The top side would have been green, but it's long since lost, and there's cracking and damage where the screws went in. All this needs refilling and then repainting. Well, the next part of the process is filling. We've done the preliminary sanding, and we'll fill the depressions and the holes and sand again.
Still a lot of shakes and little cracks. So after sanding it down once, we went over with body putty to fill in the cracks. And there's still a few, but hopefully they'll fill up with paint on the second coat. But once it was filled, it was sanded. And today we realised that we needed another coat of primer. So that's what we've done. Coat of primer, nice and sunny, baked it in, we hope. And this is the first of the top coats, but it will need 2. Good paint, covers well. And the trusty roller gives it a reasonable finish without too much effort. I never go anywhere without my foam rope. This has been a long-winded process involving lots of sanding down, lots of filling, even more filling, 2 coats of primer, and finally 2 coats of this.
So what paint are you using?
It's
Green.
green enamel.
Why are you using enamel paint?
Ask Brian.
Well, we feel that that's more original, and also it'll last better. Most modern paints that you buy from certain famous DIY stores are based on water and are, how shall I say, safe. You could drink them, but they don't work very well. Whereas this is smelly, protective clothing, mask stuff, but we believe that it will be a durable paint. Well, this is the magic thing, it's the last screw. At least we hope it's the last screw, unless we've missed any. Here it goes. I didn't mean to do that.
Sloppy screws.
That one was harder than some of them. And I've dug a hole in the side. Very disappointing. Still, a bit of filler and a bit of paint, that'll fix it. There we are, the last one.